Imagine a young person, just a teenager from a small village in Sweden, who wants to change the way we make our homes. This is the start of the IKEA story. IKEA is a brand that changed the world of furniture. Ingvar Kamprad had big ideas. He made good design, affordable for many people. Do you want to know how a small mail order in 1943 became a global empire with flat-pack furniture and smart design? Let's go and read this exciting story. From idea to first success. The story of IKEA starts in 1943. Ingvar Kamprad was 17 years old. He lived in a small Swedish village called Agunnaryd. He began his first business by selling small products by mail. He sold pens, pencils, clocks, and souvenirs. He learned that success is not only about good products, it is also about low prices and being available to many people. The name IKEA comes from the initials of his first name and last name, I, Ingvar, K, Kamprad, and the names of his family farm, Elmtarid, and his village, Agunnaryd, E and A. This name shows his strong roots. Young Kamprad had much energy and a good sense for business. He tried different prices and new ways to deliver products. He used the best methods of advertising in Sweden at that time. He knew that low prices and high quality were very important. Kamprad always found a way to speak to his customers. He could see what people wanted for their homes. In the early days, Ingvar worked hard. He took orders, delivered products, and talked to customers himself. He wrote thank you letters and listened to advice. This made him a true visionary. He could see market trends before many others. His store sold not only regular items, but also the first pieces of furniture that were sold in flat boxes. This was a new idea. The customer would build the furniture at home. This idea saved money on transport and storage. It was a revolution for that time. Even though he had many problems like little money and small production capacity, Kamprad believed in his idea. He always looked for ways to work better and use new ideas. The early years were full of hard work, many tests, and some mistakes. But he learned from every error. His desire to listen to his customers and to make a good, affordable product became the heart of IKEA's philosophy. Kamprad was not afraid to take risks. He knew that to succeed in the world, he had to go beyond his small local market. He dreamed that his products would be available to people everywhere. This big idea lit the spark that turned IKEA into one of the most well-known brands. The early mail-order success soon led to the need for special stores. In these stores, customers could see furniture, feel the quality, and get help with assembly. Step by step, from a small idea by a young entrepreneur, IKEA began its long journey to world fame. Expansion and innovation. The next step for IKEA was to grow the business and use new ideas that changed the furniture industry. In the middle of the 20th century, most furniture stores were like showrooms. IKEA gave people the idea of do-it-yourself. This was a real revolution. The furniture was sent in flat boxes. This made transport and storage much cheaper. The customer would build the furniture at home. They saved money and felt happy to make their own space. This idea soon became the famous style of IKEA. In the 1950s, when IKEA started to open its first stores, Ingvar Kamprad and his team worked hard on design. They made furniture that was simple, useful, and in a Scandinavian style. This style shows love for nature and practical use. Every piece of furniture was made to be both beautiful and easy to transport and assemble. This approach let IKEA offer good products at low prices. After the war, When money was hard to come by, this was a very important advantage. Another important innovation was the IKEA catalogue. The catalogue first appeared in 1951. It was a library of ideas. The catalogue showed the full range of products. It also gave customers ideas for making a cozy home with their own hands. The catalogue became a symbol of democratic design. Everyone could find something they liked without paying too much. The catalogue was updated many times. It showed new trends and reached people all over Sweden and later the world. It became a very strong marketing tool. It helped IKEA win the hearts of millions. At the same time, IKEA started to use new technologies in production. Special logistics centers were built. The process of assembly and delivery was improved. The strong Swedish work discipline and the desire for perfection helped lower costs and improve quality. The secret of success was that every little detail, from the choice of materials to the packaging, was carefully thought out and standardized. This way, IKEA did not just sell furniture. It sold a philosophy of saving money, simplicity, and being affordable. This later became known as democratic design. Opening the first stores outside Sweden was a natural step. In the 1960s, IKEA began to expand into other European countries and then the world. Every new store was made to fit the local market, but the basic ideas stayed the same: simplicity, usefulness, and low price. This approach made IKEA one of the most famous brands in the world. The innovations kept coming, from changing the store format to making new products that meet today's needs for eco-friendliness and sustainability. Thanks to these new ideas and the energy of the IKEA team, the brand became a symbol of good and affordable design. Every new product and collection showed the desire to make life better, easier, and more beautiful. IKEA changed the way people thought about furniture. It made buying furniture an exciting journey into the world of Scandinavian style and practical design. Global influence and mission. Over time, IKEA changed from a small Swedish business to a global company. Today, IKEA is in almost every country. The philosophy of IKEA is to make good design affordable for everyone. This idea brings together people from many cultures and social groups. The main mission of IKEA is to create a better everyday life for many people. Today, this mission is seen in thousands of stores, catalogs, online platforms, and projects that make life better. One of the main reasons for IKEA's global success was its ability to adapt to local markets without losing the brand's basic ideas. Every time a new store opened, IKEA studied the local area. They wanted to give the customers exactly what they needed, but they always kept the idea that quality and low price go together. IKEA used new methods in logistics and supply chain management. This lowered costs and made prices very competitive. Now there are thousands of IKEA stores in the world, and every year, millions of people find ideas for their own unique homes in the IKEA catalogue. IKEA's global influence is not only in the furniture industry. The company also promotes sustainable development, eco-friendliness, and social responsibility. In recent years, a lot of effort has been made to recycle materials, lower CO2 emissions, and use renewable energy in production. IKEA invests in new technologies that help to create beautiful and useful products while caring for the environment. Many customers like this because they care about more than just price and design. They also want products that are made ethically. The brand also takes part in social projects. It helps to improve life in local communities. Programs to support education, improve local infrastructure, and create jobs make IKEA more than just a company. It is a true social partner. The idea of democratic design means that every person deserves a beautiful and comfortable home. IKEA works hard to make this idea come true, no matter where people live or how much money they have. A big part of IKEA's global success is the unique company culture created by Ingvar Kamprad. His way of doing business was based on saving money, simplicity, and always trying to be better. He always said that success comes from small steps and paying attention to every little detail. His ideas on how to lower costs without losing quality became famous. These ideas helped not only in production, but also in customer service, marketing, and even the design of the packaging. That is why people all over the world feel a special connection to the brand. They see in IKEA their own wish for comfort and beauty in everyday life. Today, IKEA is a symbol of globalization, innovation, and social responsibility. The company keeps growing, using new technologies and changing with the world, but it always stays true to its ideas of affordable and useful design. The global influence of IKEA has started a true revolution in home design. It has changed the idea of what a modern home should be: ambitions, challenges, and future. Even though IKEA has many achievements, its journey is not without challenges and difficulties. Competition in the world market grows, customer needs change, and environmental and social standards become tougher. To stay the leader, the company must always adapt and look for new solutions. One of the main ambitions of IKEA is to further improve production and be more eco-friendly. In a world that is getting warmer and where people care more about sustainable development, IKEA invests in research and development. They work to reduce waste, use renewable energy, and use new ways to recycle materials. At the same time, IKEA faces challenges in digital transformation. Online stores, mobile apps, and online advice are very important today. The company works hard to make it very easy and fast for customers to buy products. They do not want to lose their special style and ideas. New IT solutions, automation in logistics, and inventory management are already working well. IKEA is moving towards full digitalization. Another important challenge is globalization. Even with many years of international work, IKEA still meets cultural and economic differences in many regions. Changing products, price policies, and logistics need constant study and flexible solutions. The company uses local ideas while keeping its overall strategy. This helps IKEA stay competitive even when there is strong competition. It is also important that IKEA continues to support local communities with its social projects and initiatives. This helps the brand and makes customers loyal. The future of IKEA is full of ambitious plans, new store formats, integration of online and offline shopping, and new interior design services are already in the works. The company wants not only to sell furniture, but to create a complete home ecosystem. The customer can get a full set of services, from choosing a design to delivery and assembly. This should make shopping even more convenient and personal. There are also challenges from changes in the economy and world politics. Currency changes, new trade agreements, and rising prices of raw materials can affect costs. IKEA has always solved these challenges by improving technology and optimizing business processes. but the future needs even more flexibility and new ideas. The management studies new markets, invests in local production, and works to reduce the impact of global price changes. Thus today, IKEA is not only about growing sales and opening more stores. It is a deep change in business based on sustainability, innovation, and social responsibility. The company looks to the future with confidence, keeping its dream alive, that every person can create a beautiful and useful home without paying too much. This mission is the driving force of IKEA. Its success is a good example for many other brands around the world. Top 10 best-selling IKEA products. IKEA is famous not only for its unique design and low prices, but also for the many products that people love all over the world. Here are the top 10 best-selling IKEA products. Each product is a symbol of style and practicality. 1. Billy. The Billy bookcase is a symbol of knowledge and use. It is simple, useful, and has a low price. It is the best-selling bookcase in the world and is in many homes. 2. Pueng. The Pueng chair is known for its comfort. It has a good design and is easy to build. Many people choose it for relaxing and reading. 3. Lac. The Lac table shows minimalism and usefulness. Its simple design and low cost make it a good choice for any room, such as a living room or an office. The Malm series, especially the beds and dressers, is popular because of its modern Scandinavian style. Its clean lines, comfort, and good quality make it one of the most loved products at IKEA. 5. Kallax. The Kallax storage system is very flexible. You can combine many pieces to create a unique storage solution for any home. 6th, Ektorp. The Ektorp sofas and armchairs are known for their classic look and comfort. They make a living room feel warm and cozy. 7. Pax. The Pax wardrobe system is a symbol of a personal storage solution. You can change its size and layout to fit your needs perfectly. 8. Raskog. The Raskog utility cart is small but very useful. It can be used for storage, as a small desk, or even as a bar table. It is very good for small spaces. 9. Ivar. The Ivar storage system is made of natural wood. It is simple, eco-friendly, and easy to build. Many people choose IVAR for their home or office. 10th, Fairgrick. The Fairgrick series of tableware is practical and stylish. The simple and elegant design makes it a popular choice for everyday use. Millions of people love this affordable tableware. Each of these products is not only useful, they also show the philosophy of IKEA. At IKEA, beauty, simplicity, and low price go together. These products are best sellers and continue to inspire customers around the world. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this story about how IKEA and its founder, Ingvar Kamprad, changed the idea of home design and made style affordable for everyone. We hope this story inspires you to have new ideas and shows you how one small spark can start a big revolution in business. To understand all the details and remember the interesting facts, we recommend you listen to this material 2 or 3 times. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Capybara English Listening. Here, you will always find inspiration, bright success stories, and useful insights about the boldest innovations. Stay with us and see you in the next video.